We'll guide you through how to generate ChatGPT images using the latest methods available in 2025. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official OpenAI website. Once you're there, log into your account or create one if you haven't yet. After logging in, navigate to the ChatGPT section where you can find the image generation feature. Now, you need to select the Create Image option. This is usually located in the main menu or under a tab labeled Generate Content. Once you've selected it, a new interface will appear specifically designed for creating images with ChatGPT. Here, you can input a prompt or description of the image you want to create. Be as detailed as possible to get the best results. After entering your prompt, there might be additional settings you can tweak, such as the style, resolution, and color palette of the image. These options allow you to customize the output to your liking. When you're ready, hit the Generate button and the system will start processing your requests. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and the server load, this might take a few seconds to a minute. Once the image is generated, you'll see a preview on your screen. You can then choose to download it directly to your computer or make further adjustments if needed. If you're not satisfied, you can go back and refine your prompt or settings and try again. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different descriptions and settings to achieve the best results. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.